Hello, my friends. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all an old-fashioned Southern coconut cream pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to top it with a homemade coconut cream cheese whipped cream. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is full of coconut flavor. And you'll be in heaven once you taste this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your coconut milk, and your shredded coconut sugar, because we're about to make some coconut cream pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients in my medium saucepan. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of cornstarch. This is our thickening agent. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of table salt. Going to give these a quick whisk until they're well blended. Now we're going to place this on the stove top. I have my fire over medium heat, and into our cornstarch mixture, we're going to add in 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, and I recommend using the can instead of the carton. It'll give us that great coconut flavor. And 1/2 cup of cream of coconut. My friends, this is going to take the pie to the next level, so please don't skip this step. Give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated, or you can stir it with a spatula if you like. And all we do is let it steam so the sugar and the cream of coconut can dissolve. Be careful not to boil it. And as soon as it steams, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our milk mixture is nice and steamy. We are ready to temper the eggs. Over here in my bowl, I have 2 extra large egg yolks. And we're going to take a ladle of the milk mixture and pour it into the egg yolks. And we're going to whisk it constantly so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. It will heat it slowly. Perfect. Now we're going to pour it into the custard. And we're going to keep on whisking until the custard thickens. And as soon as it thickens, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our custard has thickened. See? That looks great. And off camera, I removed it from my burner. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a cupful, and 1/2 tablespoon of pure coconut extract. And we're just going to stir this in until the butter melts. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted, so now we're going to add in 3/4 cup of sweetened shredded coconut. And stir this in. Smells good. Nothing like the smell of coconut. Alright, my friends, our coconut custard is complete. See how simple and easy it was? Now we are ready to pour it into our pie crust. We're going to pour it into our baked pie crust, and I'm just using a frozen deep dish pie crust. But I have a recipe for a homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. And using my offset spatula, we're just going to spread it evenly. Now we're going to cover the pie with plastic wrap. And make sure it touches the surface of the pie to prevent a skin from foaming. We'll have a nice smooth pie. Alrighty, so all we do is place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill overnight until it firms. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our pie is nice and firm. Beautiful. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on our luscious coconut cream cheese whipped cream. Let's start with the cream cheese mixture first. In my measuring cup, I have 3 ounces of cream cheese spread at room temperature. Next, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pure coconut extract, and 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. And we're going to mix on low speed until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, I am through mixing up my cream cheese mixture. Nice and smooth. Now we're going to set this aside. I have my stand mixer and I place my bowl and whip attachment in the freezer so that way our whipped cream will stay nice and cold when we whip it up. You can also use a large bowl and an electric hand mixer. So we're going to add in 1.5 cups of cold heavy whipping cream and a half a cup of powdered sugar that's sifted. And we're going to whip it until it reaches stiff white peaks. Alright, my friends, this is what our whipped cream look like. Gorgeous stiff white peaks. That's what you're looking for. Now we're going to add in the cream cheese filling into the whipped cream. Now we are going to whip it until just combined on low speed. Be careful not to over whip. Alright, my friends, our whipped cream is complete. Now we are ready to give our pie some sugar. Going to pour the whipped cream right on top. Now we're going to spread it evenly all over the pie. Okie dokie, my friends, our pie is almost finished. There's one more thing we got to add to it. I have some toasted shredded coconut and we're just going to sprinkle it right on top. And I toasted it in the oven at 325 for about 8 minutes. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Old-fashioned coconut cream pie. Doesn't that look good? And we made it from scratch. So now I'm about to cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I've got my slice of pie ready. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The crust is perfectly cooked. The filling is super creamy. And that whipped cream is divine. Full of coconut goodness. This coconut cream pie is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Coconut cream pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and much love.